The US dollar starts on the back foot at the commence of the trading week, right? A resumption really of last week where it's very much about risk appetite in the markets, very much about dollar weakness. Remember those month-end flows were strongly geared towards dollar weakness, but really a continuation as well. And the positive tone that we had with the dropping cases of COVID-19, great. No sign of a second wave, great. All good for risk appetite. And then late on Friday, as I explained in my prior blog, Trump's announcement, retaliation as such on China, not as bad, just cutting ties with Hong Kong. Still a bit of uncertainty, but cutting ties with Hong Kong, not as bad as cutting phase one deal. Although there are some signs of, some friction being created this morning with China. For the time being, that's being swept under the rug. Focus on, the positives at the moment. It seems like, to be bearish on the market is really something that's cannot be seen for the time being. The intentions of the bulls are really strong. When I'm talking about the bulls, I'm talking about bulls in the riskier FX. Like look at AUD, NZD, CAD, Euro, GBP, all of these, and despite that there's still risk on the table, particularly for AUD, NZD exposed to China, particularly for GBP exposed to the Brexit stalemate. But the bulls, this riskier FX, just carrying through the way in which we're rebounding potentially as a global economy. As we're sort of back up pretty much and running. Well, not fully, but we're getting there. We're on the path to. One thing as well. This is just sort of subject to my view, okay, guys? In terms of the dollar weakness, perhaps also it's attributed to, unfortunately, there's a lot of violence and protesting in the United States in some major cities there. Perhaps this is raising some questions in the heads of many in the markets that, look, this may draw a closer presidential election run come November, a closer, head-to-head. And remember, Trump is seen as a more dollar positive. If we have, a potential that another leader's coming into play, it could create some sense of uncertainty. Okay, in times of uncertainty, then you sell the dollar because this incoming leader that may not be Trump, may not be dollar positive. May not be pro-business, so on and so forth. Okay, so just something to just throw in the mix there with this dollar weakness as well that we're observing from my view. I'm that baby every single day. Fundamental and technical analysis. We live and breathe them both. Do not hesitate to check freaknetwork.io, become a member. Just see what we offer, baby. In terms of that knowledge and the pips. Other than that, stay lit. Let's get it.